Welcome to the investment markets overview for the week ending the 3rd of December 2021. The IMF are warning of economic collapse, without saying where and when they will happen. Nor do they recognize that the major stock indices are a leading forecaster of economic change. We do, which you can check out via the link provided, whilst this overview presents some clues for you. Let's start with a great one, insider sales. According to CNBC, CEOs and corporate insiders have sold $69 billion worth of stock so far this year, a new all-time record, and a whopping 30% higher than last year. If U.S. stock prices are going to continue to soar, as many in the mainstream media are suggesting, why are they selling their stocks at a far faster rate than we have ever seen before? Furthermore, according to Insider Score, Verity, insider sales have jumped by 79% versus the 10-year average, at $385 billion. This is a great warning for all other investors, as insiders know more about the prospects for the company than anyone else. The overview includes the performance statistics for the main stock indices, which were mixed, as were the cryptocurrencies and the commodities covered. Whilst sovereign bond yields were lower across the board. Meanwhile, on the regional front, the long-term annualized return for the US 20-city house price index provides a great Elliott wave pattern. Whilst the number of years that it takes for UK first-time buyers to save a 20% deposit gives another great clue. And the trend of Oz home loans against those for investment lending for residential property are being repeated in other global hotspots. The International Monetary Fund warning by its managing director, Kristalina Georgieva, inferred that new strains of the coronavirus can very rapidly dent confidence. However, she then revealed her real concern by adding, G20 creditors need to accelerate debt restructurings and suspend debt servicing to low-income countries whilst referring to their ability to repay unsustainable debt levels. She should home in on the major economies in respect of the warnings, as reminded by our concluding chart of US debt to GDP this week. A final performance table for the major stock indices since the year 2000 concludes the investment markets overview. A one-month trial of this 40 times per year publication is available for less than $15, or the price of just one decent cup of coffee per week. It's an ideal opportunity to grab the bargain discount for 4 publications. We strive to turn the technical into plain-speaking observations, backed up by factual charts and context. Join us for a guide through the maze of economic and market data via the weekly 5-page overview.